Thermostat program setting mistakes are the sneaky reason your heating and air conditioning system is acting all weird and not doing what you want. So, first off, always double check the time schedules you set on your thermostat, because if those are off, your system won't turn on or off when you expect it to. Next, make sure you've actually told the thermostat what kind of HVAC system you have, like whether it's a heat pump, furnace, or central air, because those settings change how it runs. Also, follow the installation manual closely when programming it. Skipping steps or guessing can mess things up. Another tip is to avoid setting super complicated programs if you're not totally confident. Keep it simple to start and adjust as you go. Don't forget to check if daylight saving time changes mess with your schedule. If your thermostat has a hold feature, don't accidentally leave it on because that overrides your program. Make sure the batteries in your thermostat aren't dead if it uses them, because low power can cause glitches. Lastly, if your system still behaves weird after all this, try resetting the thermostat to factory settings and starting fresh. One of the biggest thermostat program setting mistakes is not matching the HVAC system type in the settings, which leads to your system running at wrong times or not at all. Fix this by confirming the system type in the manual and updating the thermostat accordingly. Another common issue is ignoring time schedule errors, like AM and PM mix-ups or overlapping times, which can cause heating or cooling to come on randomly. Double-check each time block carefully to fix it. The third mistake is forgetting about the hold or override mode, which stops your program schedule from working. Just make sure to turn off hold mode so your regular program runs smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff with heating and cooling systems. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making sure everyone finds the right fit for their home projects.